Good morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be doing a very interesting writing skill, that is essay writing. And I hope you all like this essay writing and you all will be liking it, and of course you will be I'll make sure that from now onwards you will write an essay on your own. So the title of our chapter is essay writing, right? You have to study the following essay and try to write it yourself कि आप खुद से लिखें. First is myself, मतलब खुद के बारे में, right? I am Shivam Rana. मेरा नाम क्या है? शिवम राणा. I am 7 years old. I read in class 2. मैं second class में पढ़ता हूँ. I get up early in the morning. मैं जल्दी उठ जाता हूँ. I go for morning walk with my father. मैं अपने father के साथ morning walk पे जाता हूँ. I take bath daily. मैं रोज नहाता हूँ. I do my homework on time. I am very much like regular towards my work and I respect my elders, और मैं अपने teachers की और elders की बहुत respect करता हूँ. My parents loves me, मेरे को बहुत प्यार करते हैं, and I love all very much, और मैं भी सबसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. Then second essay is on my school, right? This is my school. ये मेरा एक school है. इसका नेम क्या है? ये देखिए कोई चीज है, इसलिए its name is सरस्वती शिशु सदन, right? It has a large building, बड़ी सी building है. There are 10 rooms in it. उसके अंदर 10 कमरे हैं, right? It has a principal office and a staff room. एक principal office भी है और staff room भी है. It has a big library. बड़ी सी library है. Library is a place where books are kept and where we share and as well as generate our new knowledge, right? It has canteen to have lunch. वहाँ पे canteen है जहाँ पर we can have snacks with our friends, right? एंड मिस्टर ए के शर्मा हमारे प्रिंसिपल हैं, इज आर प्रिंसिपल. देखिए प्रिंसिपल में ए एल है, एक और प्रिंसिपल होता है जहाँ पे एल ई आता है, जिसका मतलब होता है रूल, राइट? देयर आर 10 टीचर्स एंड 400 स्टूडेंट्स. 10 टीचर्स हैं और 400 स्टूडेंट्स हैं हमारे स्कूल में. एंड आई लव माई स्कूल वेरी मच. मुझे अपना स्कूल बहुत पसंद है, right? Moving on to the exercise, you have to write the essay on the given topics. Number first is friend. You can write that my friend name is Ritu. She is very intelligent, she is very beautiful, she helps me, right? She cooks delicious food, I love her very much, she loves me very much. This is the way you can write few lines on my friend, right? Second is my sweet home. के बारे में लिख दीजिए आप कि मेरा sweet home यहाँ पे है, उसके अंदर 10 rooms हैं, अच्छी बिल्डिंग है. It has greenery, it has one garden outside. I play with my parents, sometimes I play with my siblings in the garden, and I like my house very much. And this is how you can write it. And I hope you all understood this. This chapter was quite a good reading, good writing skill that you should all know. And by writing 2-3 essays, you will make sure that how to write an essay on your own. And please keep studying hard for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.